any tooth and you go thief to gather 1 million, you go start change my mind. Then go change my mind. This DJ now about the song we might be arranged where you go play before I come out. I don't decide out, now you won't play. When the place say this on DJ, place ask you, I won't play, now you remember say some get laptop. Money be fine, but that's some investment. Money be fine, but I'll show one I never find. I see you confirm Adekule. You know, those days when we are Adekule, big best to come Adekule. Me, I could grow for reggae, Okito Street, precisely. Those days, another Adekule product is over. I think Adekule actually to show for a good hotel. It was brought from Adekule from there and village was over there. Roger!
I let this company go see boy, package. Go to do your way, never hammer. You can't go Babalawo side, won't go do those things to hammer. They will come and say the Chichugo empowerment program. Don't worry. But acapella, you be the top, you know that Chichugo to the world. So most, say some people don't travel, some people never. We talk about everybody they don't travel.
Everybody there, travelers now. Everybody are travelers. Everybody here travel. So they go Benin, so they go so they go. You go come so they live Lagos. They live. This Nigeria now, see, when I advise you, listen, if you do one business, hungry go kill you. Any business you have, find back up. Even Buhari na 2 jobs they do now, president and minister. I see one girl the other day, I said, what do you do? She said, I'm a jobless banker. I say, hi, it's not trust so if you got another one, bring you. That's why I like Abba boys. Now only about somebody go to hospital, go mortuary, if you don't live, you go die. The money go still come. Oh, you know they listen to me. Find back up, don't do one job. It go kill you. There's no big boy like you. All of us connect our bit and direct to go, direct. See, Adelaide, we get the Christian number, we get that. Once we load 25, the other one are direct. Now let this lucky somebody they drive Range Rover wind down. No food down, no big. I don't see one girl for this island. I said, what do you do? She said, I live on the island. Now walk without. I could talk now, but they listen, and advise you now. I'm talking, they are sharing chops. People take small chop like walk now. Mommy, don't see where you're one they beg food for party, you go shock. You're not going to say that food she won't beg, see what you go here. You're a woman now, they share food. They carry the first food pass. You go do like say no concern now. Second one go pass. She go do like say no concern now. Once the third one they come, power, waiting go here. Who think they will share this thing for this place? You can't be like say that they look face. Auntie, I'm not even talking about me. If you will not serve me, what about these people that are here? All these people around there will you guys want to do the video? No, see, this show where person number before I talk. If you not say we will not talk, you want to tell me about baby, I'm not doing it. No, sir, no sense. So, when I say, how they go. Now, so when they pay me 2 million, 5 minutes, free, when I got to do, I go. Now, I lose. See.
No, acapella, they never do anything.
That's I got it. Once I'm tired, I go see now, go see after the people like this. Go see now, the little big boy will look short, you check your account. Every time we see us in our street. When she started today, I went, because I don't know.
No, don't concern me. It's called
Titako, I get to go. This time, Ajagule. Ajagule. Cast you don't get area, just somebody. Where Ajagule? All these people in Ajagule.
Everybody here.
Ajagule, now never make up. All these people are not there. Hey, Jesus, after this one, they go say,
no, some of them need help. That's the prince. The prince. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause.
I know people need air condition. People need air condition.
Like who?
Eh?
Like who?
I go call them.
My brother, call me.
Some people there are former big men.
He said, my brother, all my show, we did see from up.
So when you are going to say my brother is a regular laugh, the joke go first next year. Now poor people, when they do show, they put 2 million, they go ask me just to laugh. Listen, when we said they put 2 million, the people when they buy and when we say they get problem pass you, it is to encourage the person when they do show. Because we will not go out on lunch. So the person they buy 2 million just to encourage the comedian. Poor people. Now if this is going to pay 5K, when we plan this show, they go still there. After the show, you go share CD. Oh, you don't understand that the problem about it. If you are a poor man, it's risky. You can't be a poor man inside Nigeria and double hellfire. Listen to me. You not see body bad head for a WAEC result. And they imagine how your head will be when you write jump. Oh, and they talk now, not the listen. When I watch APC primaries, now small doctor ain't go perform. Small doctor reach there begin sing. Every song where one sing, you go call Buhari name. Begin shout, Buhari, man, Nigeria sit down. I don't imagine. Say na slim case. Now you go perform here. So before I sing, you go call Buhari name. Buhari, on the golden diet. Nigeria go say, I know. And small doctor, they think I see speaker. Once they perform any speaker, where you sing, come, you don't climb up. For the APC primary, I mean, they tell you to go together, you go climb me, you go back. You want this thing? This guy a bouncer state manager. For free show, for slap you. In fact, I don't best, I don't even. No, back me, I don't go. DJ Strange, killer now. I'm done. Ladies and gentlemen, like a cappella said, this country don't round up. Now, if you dey drive for Lagos, police stop. You know, Nigerian police can stop you for anything. You dey check, they say park. You say, oh, I'm not glad they say park the lane. Now, if they stop you anywhere on the island, on the mainland, back, come down, no come down, form. And as you dey form, lie down, tip your voice. As they near you, the first question they will ask you, can I have your driver's license? Bring your driver's license. Give them. They don't stop me now. As they stop me for mainland, back. Your driver's license, I give them. The guy look at. Your vehicles, particular, Africa, I give them. They correct. They look there, they look at. You know, now that time police will come again and ask you stupid question. Okay? I said, what? He said, this is your seatbelt. If I say you just check that, I said, yes. He said, can I have the receipt? I bring up, I give him. He look. He said, okay, this is your tire. If I say you just check that, I said, yes. He said, can I have the receipt? I bring up, I give him. I said, okay. He look me and they look up. He said, okay, I said, what? He said, this is your car. If I say you just grab, I said, yes. He said, where the receipt? I bring up, I give him. The guy tired, now he look me. Now he ask me, who are you? Now I take my voice. I say, officer, I'm an OAP. When police hear OAP, he said, hey, sure. Okay, no first, so no people like now they want this proper make OAP. I beg, go they go. I can't drive, go from back. I can't take the thing. I can't AP. Then this guy tell me make I go. Meanwhile, as a scenario, they have one of the other guy, if he says something, will come out and say, stop me. And the man answer, oh my offer, why you just allow that guy go like that? It's over. Now OAP be now. What do OAP mean? He said, I don't know the meaning, but that's even like waiting for senior DPO.
she know where she where. If you na dey club me, if I dey go club, curious, come out like they carry pin, they enter club. So as I dey suspect say the guy carry the shots from here now, and they say na, and to not get when they rush, you should be dance. You chook and pin. She shout, Jesus, what's that? Arinash. Or if she dey dance, you took her pitch, she know that she still dey dance. My brother, I want K, when I want million naira Nash be dance. I don't dey club now, one day you know I took her pitch. No, she dey, I took her the other side, what's up, give me for club now.
You see it.